Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. I hope you guys are having a great January in 2020. Let me know in the comments down below what your goals are for this year. So today I've partnered up with ShaperX because the number one goal or resolution for the new year is to either lose weight, have a healthier lifestyle, and have better eating habits. So I've partnered up with ShaperX to bring you this review on their new ShaperX Women Waist Trainer belt trainer, and I'm going to demonstrate how it works, why I like it, the price point, and some of the goals that I have for this year. So keep on watching. So as you can see, the ShaperX waist trainer comes in a belt form and it has Velcro, which helps adjust the belt to your desired size, and it also compresses your midsection, so giving you a smaller waistline. It helps with your back support as well, and I love that it has those additional straps that you can adjust even more to tighten your midsection and give you a nice back support. It also has the bone linings on the back that you can see for extra support. This is great for heavy lifting, weightlifting, for sweating and reducing your midsection, as well as I've seen women use it for after they give birth. They can put this on to also help reduce with their midsection. It's pretty nice because it's convenient. It's not like the traditional waist trainers where it's a little bit more difficult to put on because of the hooks. You know, this, you just put it on your waist and you adjust it to according to how you want it. It's easy to just take on the go if you're going to go to the gym or if you're going to go hiking. It's really versatile and it works great. I have been wearing this during my training sessions, and I'm back and I'm training with my trainer, and it helps me when I'm lifting weights, and it also helps me sweat to, you know, reduce my midsection. So I know a lot of you ladies, that's what you guys are looking for. So this ShaperX belt cincher is great, and if you guys are starting a new fitness regimen. Also, the great thing about this particular ShaperX waist belt is that it's very affordable. So the price point starts at $12.99 and $16.99. So yeah, between $12.99 and $16.99. So that's a great deal, guys, for a quality that is this good. That price point is amazing. ShaperX has really good products at a very great price point. So I definitely recommend this. Also, they come in small through 2XL, which is great, and in different colors as well. I got the fuchsia, but they have different colors. Make sure to check them out. I really like this belt. I have to be honest, at first when I saw these coming out, I wasn't too sure if I was gonna like them because I was, you know, a fan of my waist trainer, and I've been using waist trainers, you know, for a really long time. So when these came out, I was like, oh, I don't know if I like them, but you know what, ShaperX, they made me like change my mind. I think it's convenient, and I love the fact that it's just easy to put on, and I could put it over, you know, my clothes and still be able to work out in them. So definitely recommend this. Let me know if you guys want to get one of these. If you do, hit the link down in the description box so you guys can go directly and purchase this, which is an amazing deal. And let me know what videos you want to see for this year. I am on a plant-based diet, so let me know if you guys want me to show you what I'm currently eating. So let me know in the comments down below, and a big shout out to ShaperX. I love this shaper. Thank you so much, and I'm just so happy that I can provide these reviews for you guys. So catch me on next time, guys. Bye.